Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can publish your car.co website. Okay, so let me just go back here. So first thing that you do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for card.co, right? And then you would be directed to this website. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you just have to log into your account, or you can also choose a starting point right here. So for example, this one, I'm going to tap on the choose a starting point. Then you would be directed to the section where you can select your template. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one. All right, I'm just going to select this template. So after that, you can now start customizing this template. So for example, this one, you'd like to change the name of this template. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here, sample. Okay, and then after that, just click on done. All right, so once you're done customizing your template, all you have to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines that you can see at the top right of our screen. And then you have here now the publish option. So when you click on the publish option, okay, so here you are going to log into your account. And then once you've done that, you'd be able to see here now your title. So you just have to type out your title. And for the description, this one is required as well. And then after that, your action and then the name of this website. After that, you'd be able to see this publish option highlighted. So just have to tap on it. And after that, you'd be able to see or view your car.co website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.